Learn these tricks to keep your home clean, especially the fifth one. 1. Combine Sprite and detergent, spray it on the mirror, and wipe it down. The mirror will be clear and clean. 2. Combine beer and baking soda, spray it on the kitchen grease stains. Stubborn grease stains can be easily removed. 3. Mix Coca-Cola with laundry detergent to get rid of black mold. 4. Combine detergent and beer and stir until even. Soak the tea stain cup in the mixture for a few minutes, shake it a bit, and the cup will be perfectly clean and look brand new. 5. Mix fabric softener with water and your furniture won't gather dust for a week. 6. Add toothpaste to the mop bucket and your floors will shine like light bulbs. 7. Pour white vinegar, Sprite, baking soda, table salt, and detergent into a basin, add warm water and stir evenly, soak the cloth in it. Wipe the faucet, the rust and water stains on it can be easily cleaned, and the faucet will shine like new. 8. Mix Sprite and toothpaste in a bowl, stir until even and pour into a spray bottle. Spray it on the walls at home that the children have drawn on and wipe it clean. 9. If the toilet gap turns black and is hard to clean, add detergent, baking soda, and clear water to a bowl, pour it into a spray bottle, and spray it on the moldy areas. Wipe with a cloth and it will be clean.